Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something really cool for all you Apple Watch fans, especially those of you with the Ultra, but also Series 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and SE rocking the 49mm, 45mm, or 44mm sizes. We're checking out this carbon fiber watch case and rubber band mod kit that promises to give your Apple Watch a serious style upgrade. This kit aims to transform your Apple Watch into something with a bit more of a rugged, Richard Mille-inspired aesthetic. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality of the carbon fiber case. It's surprisingly lightweight, yet it feels incredibly sturdy. The weave of the carbon fiber is prominent and looks really sleek. It doesn't feel cheap or plasticky at all. The kit also includes a rubber band, which is designed for breathability and a sporty look. The band feels soft and flexible, and the texture provides a nice grip on the wrist. It's definitely geared towards an active lifestyle. Installation was pretty straightforward. The case snaps onto the Apple Watch body securely, and all the cutouts for the buttons, crown, and sensors align perfectly. There's no obstruction of functionality whatsoever. The rubber band attaches easily to the case using quick-release pins, making swapping bands a breeze if you want to switch things up. Now, let's talk about the look. This mod kit definitely changes the aesthetic of the Apple Watch. It adds a bit of bulk, giving it a more substantial, almost tactical feel. The carbon fiber adds a touch of luxury and sportiness, while the rubber band complements the overall rugged look. It's a definite departure from the standard Apple Watch aesthetic, and it's sure to turn heads. If you're looking to make your Apple Watch stand out, this kit definitely achieves that. But how does it hold up in everyday use? I've been wearing this mod kit for a few days now, and I'm impressed. The case provides decent protection against bumps and scratches, and the rubber band is comfortable even during workouts. The breathability of the band is noticeable, especially during more intense activities. It doesn't trap sweat or feel sticky. Overall, it's a practical and stylish upgrade. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The added bulk might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer a slimmer profile. Also, the carbon fiber case, while durable, could be susceptible to scratches over time, so it's something to be mindful of. Finally, the RM style, while appealing to some, might not be everyone's cup of tea. It's a bold look, and it definitely changes the overall aesthetic of the Apple Watch. So, is this carbon fiber watch case and rubber band mod kit worth it? If you're looking to give your Apple Watch a unique, sporty, and rugged look, and you don't mind the added bulk, then absolutely. It's a well-made, stylish, and functional upgrade that offers decent protection and a comfortable fit. Just be aware of the potential for scratches on the carbon fiber, and make sure the bolder style aligns with your personal taste. This mod kit definitely adds a cool factor to the Apple Watch, transforming it from a sleek tech gadget into a statement piece. Let me know in the comments what you think of this mod kit. Would you rock this look on your Apple Watch? And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.